In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an attendance tracker in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable system that lets you mark attendance with a click and automatically counts totals for each person. Start with a blank sheet and set up your layout. The first row will be your header, and your list of students or members will start in row 2. In cell A1, type name. This is where each person's name will go down column A. In B1, add section or group if you want to track classes or teams. If you don't need it, you can leave that column blank or use it later. Beginning in C1 and moving to the right, enter your attendance dates like 2/3/2026, 2/4/2026, and so on. Make sure Google Sheets recognizes them as dates. If they don't format correctly, you can select the cells and apply a date format from the format menu. A quick tip, enter the first date, then click and drag the small square at the corner of the cell to fill the dates across the row in sequence. Next, set up the checkboxes that you'll use to mark attendance. Highlight the grid where attendance will be recorded, starting at the first person's first date cell. For example, select from C2 across your dates and down through as many names as you expect to track, such as C2 to Z100. With that range selected, go to Insert, then choose Checkbox. Each cell in that range now has a checkbox. Checked means present, unchecked means absent. This is great because it keeps everything uniform and easy to scan. Now add a running total for each person. After your last date column, create one more header labeled total present. In the first row of your list, in that total column, enter the formula each county F C2 E2 true, adjusting the C2 E2 part to match the exact span of your date columns for that row. This formula counts how many checkboxes are checked in that row. Once it's working for the first person, use the small blue square at the corner of the cell to drag the formula down for the rest of the names. Each row will automatically count its own checkboxes. From here, taking attendance is as simple as checking boxes for the current date. Your totals update instantly, giving you a clear, at-a-glance record for every student or member. Keep your dates in row 1, your names starting in row 2, and your checkboxes aligned, and you'll have a clean, dependable tracker ready for daily use.